ಆ ಕುರ್ಚಿನಿ ಮಾಡ್ಸಬೇಕಿ
Friends, welcome to Calcutta and from our dear YouTube channel Easy Foods Company. So here we have to bring you. This is one of the greatest Indian restaurants in Abu Dhabi. They have like many branches around the world. So they are known for their fish and like chicken beef and all. So my favorite food here is the panko chicken and the kandari fish. Perfect chai here. So come try it out at Calcutta Notebook. The huge experience of the slice of Malabar. Me, Sabri Giri, signing off.